Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you are fine. I'm Gunjan, your science teacher from the Wisdom School, Sirsa. Students, our first chapter is more about plants. Okay. In the previous lecture, we learned about reproduction through the vegetative parts. For example, stem, roots, leaves and spores also. Okay. Now we are going to start our next topic, agriculture. Do you know what is the meaning of agriculture? Tell me how we can define agriculture. I am telling you. Agriculture means growing crops on a large scale. On a large scale for food is known as agriculture. Okay. Growing crops. Okay. Crops को grow करना. Okay. On a large scale, on a large area. Okay. For which purpose? Food. Okay. For getting food is known as agriculture. Okay. Now question is, what is crop? Okay. What is crop? Okay. For example, grains, fruits, vegetables. If grains, fruits, vegetables grown in a particular season, grown in a particular season, is known as crop. ओके. तो crop क्या है? फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स का ग्रो करना. ओके. इन अ पर्टिकुलर सीजन, किसी पर्टिकुलर सीजन में. ओके. किसी फसल का ग्रो करना, उसे आप क्या बोलते हो? क्रॉप. ओके. फ्रूट्स का, वेजिटेबल्स का. ओके. सो व्हाट इज क्रॉप? ग्रेन्स, fruits, vegetables, if grown in a particular season like winter, summer, okay, that is known as crop. Okay. Now students, there are two type of crops. First one is rabi crops and second is kharif crop. Okay. Rabi crops. If crops are grown in winter season. In which season? Winter season. For example, November to April. Okay. Is known as Rabi crop. Okay, like wheat. Okay, wheat grown in winter season, so this is known as rabi crop. Okay, for any crop, किसी भी crop के लिए sufficient conditions होनी चाहिए. किस टाइप की soil best है उनके लिए. Okay, amount of water कितना होना चाहिए. For example, if we are talking about wheat, okay, grown in winter season, which type of soil is good for wheat? Sandy soil. Which soil? Sandy soil. Okay, light in color. Okay, and it needs less water. Okay. So this is rabi crop. Okay. Now second is kharif crop. Okay. If crops are grown in a summer season, In which season? Summer season. Okay, like June to October. Okay, known as kharif crop. For example, rice, maize, cotton. Okay, these are known as kharif crop. Okay, first of all, rice. Okay, it needs a lot of water. Okay, rice के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पानी चाहिए. Okay, so which soil is best for this? Clay soil. Which soil is clay soil? Okay, about the soil you get the deeply information in higher classes. Okay, clay soil retains lots of water. ओके ज्यादा अमाउंट में वाटर को ये रखती है, रिटेन करती है. ओके सो राइस नीड्स, वी नो राइस नीड्स lots of water. So which type of soil is best for this? Clay soil. Okay, so students, there are two type of crops. First one is rabi crops and second is kharif crop. Okay, crops grown in winter season are known as rabi crops and crops grown in summer season are known as kharif crops. Okay, so this is about agriculture, crop and types of crops. Okay, in our next video we'll discuss about stages of agriculture कि step by step stages हम करेंगे agriculture की. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you students.